We all dream of it, don't we? The lottery win that changes everything. Just imagine holding that winning ticket. The possibilities are endless. But is it just luck, or is there something more at play? Many lottery winners claim it was more than chance. They spoke it into existence. They believed it before they saw it. This is the power of affirmations. What if you held that same power within you? What if you could attract wealth just like they did? You can. It starts with understanding the law of attraction. Your thoughts are powerful. What you focus on expands. When you focus on winning, you attract winning. Affirmations help you direct your thoughts. Think of your mind as fertile ground. Your thoughts are seeds. Positive affirmations are seeds of abundance. Plant those seeds, nurture them, and watch them grow. Doubt and fear are weeds. They choke your dreams. Pull those weeds out. Replace them with affirmations of wealth and prosperity. You deserve to win. Cynthia Stafford is a shining example. She wrote down her ideal lottery amount. She visualized winning. She affirmed it daily. And guess what? She won $112 million. This wasn't magic. It was the law of attraction in action. Cynthia aligned her energy with her desire. She believed it, and it became her reality. You have that same power within you. Believe in the power of affirmations. Visualize your winning moment. Feel the joy of abundance. Start by crafting your own affirmations. I am a lottery winner. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am grateful for my abundant life. Repeat these affirmations daily. Say them out loud. Write them down. Visualize them. The more you repeat them, the more you believe them. Feel the truth in your words. Don't just say the words, embody them. Believe you are worthy of winning. Believe it is possible. Consistency is key. Make affirmations a daily habit. The more consistently you plant those seeds of abundance, the faster they will grow. Combine affirmations with gratitude. Be thankful for what you have. This positive energy attracts more blessings. Don't give up. The universe works in perfect timing. Trust the process. Keep believing. Your winning moment is coming. Winning the lottery starts with your mindset. Believe it is possible. Feel the joy of winning. Affirm it into existence. Affirmations are not a magic spell. They are a tool to reprogram your subconscious mind. They help you align with the vibration of abundance. You are worthy of wealth and prosperity. Embrace the power within you. It doesn't matter how you do them. The important thing is to be consistent and diligent with your use of your chosen affirmations. Begin by just saying them, but it's important that at some point you actually start to believe in what you're saying. Your brain needs to believe that your statements are true so that it can spring into action and make it true. Use affirmations to unlock your lottery dreams. The universe awaits. If you like our sharing, please like the video and subscribe our channel so that you will receive more information from us.